Redang is a small tropical island on the east coast of Malaysia. It has beautiful beaches and resorts, the perfect tourist hotspot.
I used to be in Redang since 1984-1985. At that time, it's very clean of the beaches in Redang.
But now there's a plastic waste problem that affects not only the beach but also the village on the island. This is the story of how local youths are working together with student organizations, resorts, and the government to clean up Redang's plastic waste management problem.
Okay, National Coastal Zone Physical Plan 2 is a sectoral master plan to the National Physical Plan (NPP), aims to manage optimal coastal resources towards sustainable development, socio-economic survival, and environmental sustainability. The waste upcycling tour project was manifestation for me to fulfill the objective outlined in the NCZPP2 report. Expected that significant benefit to the Redang Island community while offering a meaningful experience to visiting tourists. I think it's very crucial as to be one of the examples to be implemented in other cities.
Plastic waste upcycling tour? Let's wind it back and see how this all happened. This is Hasbida, a local born and raised on Redang Island. She joined a group of youths passionate about the island's marine conservation called Redang Marine Conservation Group, RMCG.
Pulau Redang ni tempat ekopelancongan. Bila pelancong luar datang, dia tengok kapur kita macam, oh kotornya. Kita rasa macam, oh ni kena perbaiki ni. Saya sedih dan kecewa melihat isu sampah. Pelancong dah penduduk tempatan, dia macam nak jaga, ikut dan buang je. Biasa di buku-buku buang atas sampah. Dan ada segelintir penduduk tempatan, dia buang macam tu je tepi sampah, dia tak buang dalam tong sampah. Dan itu menyebabkan terjadinya isu sampah yang tidak terkawal.
But recycling, especially plastic waste, might help solve this problem, right?
Kalau kat sini, kita tak mengamalkan lagi lah. Kita semula plastik dengan botol tu. Ada segelintir yang faham, okey, diikut. Yang segelintir tak faham. Jadi macam dia buang je sekali.
SOA My Ocean Hope is a student-led marine waste management organization from University Malaysia Terengganu. So, they plan to set up a plastic waste upcycling tour run by local youths from RMCG and invite hotels to supply the raw materials and tourists.
Not only that we are trying to solve the plastic waste pollution in this island, we're also trying to connect the gap between the community and the resort. So I think when we have this workshop where all the tourists, the resort and the local community could work together, it could bridge that gap between them. So we asked the local what is the problem that they are facing with the impact of tourism in their island. And the main problem is the plastic waste pollution. A lot of tourists come here, there will be a lot of trash. When the lorry cannot take the plastic, they will have another alternative, which is by burning the plastic, which can cause air pollution. Plastic is a huge problem to our coastal ecosystem because it could be mistaken as food for some of the animals, and also the plastic will not fully break down and turn into microplastic, which will in turn digested by animals.
Lucky for them, Hasbida signed up, so SOA needs to train her first.
So the machine that we have here in Pulau Redang is the 3-in-1 upcycling machine. They have the extruder, injector and the shredder. We have the machine here to reduce the plastic waste pollution that is brought by the overburden from the tourism and the some that come from the ocean. The plastic that we take for our workshop here on the island mostly come from the beach cleanup that we do, and some donation from the local people and the plastic that we get from resorts. So we clean that, and clean plastic will make a better product. which we can sell.
First kita kena tahulah plastik apa yang kita akan guna untuk kita punya workshop. So biasa kita akan guna type 5 and type 2, dan boleh juga lah kita guna type 4, tapi type 4 tak ada kita punya contoh sini. Basically lah type 2 ni kita guna plastik plastik botol yang dah kita tak guna, kita ambil, kita bersihkan dia punya botol tu, basuh semua, lepas tu kita simpan dalam bekas ni. Sama dengan ni plastik type 5 ni. Type 5 ni kita akan guna plastik yang macam bekas plastik yang makanan, plastik apa lagi yang macam ni.
SOA also reached out to several popular beach resorts for collaboration to collect plastic waste from them and to bring tourists to see the machine. Daniel is a member of RMCG. He also pushes for recycling initiatives in the resort he works at, the Taras Beach and Spa Resort, which is one of the hotels in walking distance of the village.
For the past 6 months, kita ada lebih kurang dalam 18,000 pelancong lah daripada seluruh dunia yang datang ke Taras untuk bercuti. Lebih kurang 70,000 sampah telah dijana oleh Taras sendiri, dan sebahagian daripada itu adalah plastik. Masalah plastik ini memang biasa berlaku lah sebab kita menggunakan botol-botol plastik, contohnya botol-botol plastik air minuman sebagai kita punya sumber utama lah untuk bekalkan air kepada gas. Tour Upcycling plastik ni adalah di mana kita punya pelancong atau Taras punya gas berpeluang untuk mendapat pengalaman sendiri untuk menghasilkan merchandise seperti keychain. Tour itu akan dilakukan di kawasan kampung lah sebab kita bekerjasama dengan penduduk Redang sekali. Apabila gas sampai ke balai raya, first mereka akan dapat pendedahan lah yang tak semua sampah ini kita perlu lupuskan atau kita perlu bakar. We can make something from the rubbish.
Ya, kita orang memang berpakat untuk mencari cara untuk bersihkan pulau Redang ni. SOA ni bawa mesej datang sini diajar ahli RMCG untuk menggunakan mesej ni bagi kita semula plastik. Saya rasa senang bersama kawan-kawan. Bila bekerja kumpulan ni, kita rasa macam cepat, mudah, dan kita pun semangat nak buat kerja tu.
We try to promote any initiative in relation to the achievement of SDGs and also New Urban Agenda. The project in the context of coastal areas, I think is very crucial as to be one of the examples to be implemented in other cities, either in island cities, rural cities, suburban cities or big cities.